Scripture, which give us opportunities to discover new vocabulary words and also to discover grammatical forms, which advance our ability not only to read the Hebrew, but to translate. And we've made some very exciting progress along those lines over the past few months with our more advanced readers. And these lessons also give our newest readers an opportunity to have initial exposure to many of the letters towards the end of the alphabet, so that once they arrive at those letters in their own lessons, they've already had some experience with them. And the focus of our scripture lessons are what are known as shorshim, or Hebrew roots. The Hebrew root is a 3-letter combination, generally a verb, that can expand and grow and develop into many other Hebrew words. So just like a tree has strong roots and then it branches out into the trunk, the branches, the leaves, so the Hebrew root branches into many different Hebrew nouns and verbs, and it's a very powerful building block that we want to master in the Hebrew language. I usually put the Hebrew root in red. The Hebrew root today is ra'ah, which means to see. And we're going to look at an instance of the Hebrew root ra'ah as it appears in Chronicles, as it appears in chapter 32 and Genesis chapter 22. So mostly, again, Gideon, Joseph, this will be reading practice for us, and then we can take a little bit of a look at the shoresh and the different meanings and the different grammatical forms. But Joseph, why don't you take your turn at the reading and demonstrate your reading ability to us as an inspiration kindly.
Okay. Vayishlach.
Beautiful.
Elohim.
Nice.
Malach. Is that nun?
The first letter is a lamed.
Okay, so that is a separating letter.
Oh, I'm sorry. These are very confusing. These are not critical to our reading exercise.
Okay, let me start.
Okay.
Vayishlach ha Elohim malach.
Well done, malach.
Lirusharam.
Lirushalayim.
Lilusharaim.
Right, that's Jerusalem. Yerushalayim. Lirushalayim. Very nice.
Leachita.
Insert the shin there. Lehashchita.
Lehashchita.
Well done, brother.
Hashtit.
That's a chet, almost. Hashchit. Slow it down.
Hashchit.
Well done. Well done.
hashchit,
Very nice.
ra'a,
Ra'ah.
Yahweh, vai, vainechem,
Very good.
alha, alhara'at, al-araha.
Al-Hadra'ah. So I think actually I wanted to take just a minute, and we're running a little short because I have the 9 p.m. But I wanted to give you some motivation or inspiration why studying Hebrew can be so rewarding.
Yes.
Because there are no accidents in the choices of words in the Bible, and there's magic to be discovered when we read the Bible in Hebrew, and this is one of those magical moments. We're talking about a shoresh called ra'ah, to see, but you just recited a word that's also pronounced ra'ah, ha-ra'ah, but it's with an ayin, not an aleph.
Oh, yes.
So there's poetry. Yes, there's poetry. There's a song here. There's a sound that's conveying a meaning beyond the meaning of the words. In this case, if you listen to it, you have Uchashchit Ra'ah Yehovah Vayinachem al Hara'ah. Ra'ah Yehovah Vayinachem al Hara'ah. And in this case, it's God saw and he was forgiving on the evil that had occurred. Ra'ah Elohim, God saw, Vayinachem al Hara'ah. What was it that he saw? That he ra'ah? Hara'ah, the evil. So it's just something that we can appreciate, and perhaps there's some meaning that the English reader would not gain, that we can gain from reading in the Hebrew. So just a little bit of an idea to share with you. Gideon, I apologize that we don't have time to continue with reading now because of the next meeting coming up, but I hope that you can have your turn next time. And thank you very much for bringing in our newest student. Obviously, he's interested and very capable. And I would encourage you, Gideon, if you're able, I know that you're busy and a lot going on your vacation, if you can find the best situation possible for your network connection